Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here metachloroanisole is given. You reacting with sodamide and liquid ammonia. You have to find the final product. Here the problem in the plain side, but it involves two important steps. The first step, you are using sodamide and liquid ammonia, so obviously the benzene mechanism is the only mechanism. But the problem is where the benzene form, 1,2 position or 2,3 position. 1,2 position it is not formed because carbon has 5 valency. So only 2,3 position it forms. So it's a major product. Second, NH2 minus attack. NH2 minus can attack benzene on either carbon, but which is major? The anion stabilized carbon ion is major. So what really happen is the anion near to O methyl is stable because anion stabilized by electron withdrawing oxygen. So final product is protonated on ortho position. So the concept you have to learn here is the benzene mechanism is favorable when there is a chlorobenzene. Second, the anion stability decides the chemoselectivity of the addition. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.